Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to edit PDF files without Adobe for free in 2026. So if you need to edit text, add notes, or modify pages in a PDF, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, right-click your PDF file and open it with Microsoft Edge. Edge has a built-in PDF editor for basic editing. Next, use the highlight, draw, and text tools so you can mark important sections or add simple notes directly. Now you can use free online tools like PDF editors. These allow you to edit text, merge files, and rearrange pages easily. For more advanced editing, use LibreOffice Draw. It lets you open PDFs and edit text and layout more freely. After editing, export the file back as a PDF. This keeps your changes saved properly. Finally, organize your edited PDFs into folders so you can find them easily later. So, keep originals and edited versions separate. And that's how to edit PDF files without Adobe for free in 2026. Once you use built-in tools and free editors, you can modify PDFs easily without paying anything. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more productivity tutorials. Hey everyone!